Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a closer look at and of course installing the Axial H13 LED headlight replacement bulbs available for the 05 to 12 Mustangs with factory halogens. Now if your Mustang did come with factory halogens, then you might want to swap them out for something that's going to be a lot brighter, a lot more of a pure white, and something that's a lot more attractive than those factory bulbs. LED replacements from Axial are an easy swap. They plug right into the factory harness. There's no cutting, no splicing, no rewiring. It's a direct plug and play, and it makes a huge impact on the front end appearance and the visibility of your S197. Those factory halogen bulbs are pretty bright off the factory line, but they're not the most attractive bulb you can get for your front end without swapping the whole headlight. Those factory bulbs are more of a yellowish hue, something around 4000 K color temperature. So if you're looking for a crisp, pure white light, the LED Axial replacement bulbs have an SMD LED power saving technology that glows a 6000 K color temp, which is more of a pure white light. So it's a lot crisper, it's a lot more vibrant, and it definitely has a greater visibility than those factory bulbs. The nice thing about this is it's plug and play, comes in right around 75 bucks for the pair. It's got an inline resistor to make sure they don't flicker or anything like that, and the SMD power saving technology makes sure that they're going to last a whole lot longer. LEDs are a very popular aftermarket swap for headlight bulbs and taillight bulbs really, and overall they make a big difference in appearance in a very cost-effective way. The install of course gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter because you are literally just changing your light bulbs. With that said, you're just going to twist your factory ones out, plug in your new ones, and pop them right back in. No modification necessary. I'm going to walk you through that whole process. It'll take you about 10-15 minutes from start to finish. What do you say we get started? All right, this one's gonna be pretty simple. All you have to do is pop your hood and you can reach your hand to the back of the headlight on each side, twist out the factory bulb, disconnect it, plug it into the new one, and then put the bulb back in. It's gonna be extremely simple. I will say, however, it's gonna be difficult to see on camera. We're gonna be sticking our hand behind the headlight, so it's a really tight, confined space, so you may not exactly see it, but you're basically just going right to the back of the headlight to twist the factory bulb out. It is extremely simple. Let's get started. All right, so we're starting here on the passenger side headlight. In order to get that bulb out, you're basically gonna stick your hand right down this hole, twist counterclockwise, pull it back, and bring it up. More specifically, the bulb is right underneath of this fender line here where it meets the shroud, just at this corner. So we're gonna go right under there, grab it, twist counterclockwise, and bring the entire bulb up here. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna seat right around here, counterclockwise this way, pull it back, and bring it up. From there, you can pinch and disconnect the harness. In my left hand here, I have the Axial LED headlight bulb. This is the H13-9008 headlight series. This one here is the factory halogen. You can see a very clear difference in the bulb style. This one versus this guy here. This is a traditional halogen. This is a traditional LED. This guy here is going to give you that 6K color temperature, which is that pure white light. The factory halogen is more of a warmer color. You get maybe a 5K, maybe a 4500K, something that is a little bit yellower. So if you're looking for that more modern look, the LED is definitely going to be it. And at this point, you can see the connection style, the actual bulb socket around the edges here have the same sort of tabs as the factory one, so it'll lock right in. Aside from that, I'm going to put this down. You can see the new Axial bulb here has an inline resistor, and it goes right into the factory style connector. So these guys will plug right in, just like this, and now we can install it. All right, so the installation is just going in reverse order. We're going to tuck the wiring back down there, go right into the factory socket on the back of the headlight, and you're probably going to have to rotate it until it seats itself in all the way. And then once you have it locked in place, you can repeat on the other side. All right, twisting it in that socket, it's locked in place, repeat on the other side. That's going to wrap up my review and install for the Axial H13 LED replacement headlight bulbs available for the 05 to 12 Mustangs with factory halogens. If you're looking for a crisp, pure white headlight bulb without swapping the entire headlight to save some money, this is a great way to go. Pick yours up right here at AmericanMuscle.com.